So Joe, thank you so much for coming here and having some time to talk about your company, which is Sunwest Mortgage.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me, so for me, I'm like a first-time buyer. I have no idea what I'm getting into. How would you help me? What is something with your process for someone like me?
Well, the first thing I would do is get a pre-qualification letter, and that entails you calling a loan officer and giving them your information. And we do have to pull credit, and once we pull credit, we run you through the system to get you approval on basically what you provided us verbally. Income, how long you worked at your job, the name, number, social security number, the basic information. Once we pull the credit, then we give you what's called a pre-qualification letter, and then you look for a house with a realtor. Once the realtor finds the house, in the meantime, it would be nice for you to provide the list of documentations that we provided you, which was probably the hardest part of being a first-time home buyer.
So would that be like a W-2, just like proof of like residency?
It is. It's W-2, tax returns, bank statements, ID, landlord information. It's kind of a lot of paperwork. So once you provide that information, then we can send you off to get you a pre-approval, and that is from a full-fledged underwriter. And then that's kind of like your stamp of approval. That's your stamp of approval, meaning that you're good to go and there won't be any hiccups.
Which is good.
That is very good. And then once you do that, then you can go and find your house and pick out a house, and then there's then you go to the closing at the very end.
So you guys do all like the scary stuff basically, because that sounds like most of the things you just said. I'm like, I don't know what that is. So
we do all the paperwork, and that's probably for everyone to put all their hands on the paperwork. The quicker the better. If you provide it to us in a timely fashion, we can get you a quicker pre-approval and pre-qualification letter. And part of that's probably the hardest part for a customer to do.
So how does the closing work, the last aspect of it?
The closing works once we get the ratified contract from the agent. We order an appraisal. An appraisal is based on, we determine the value of the house to make sure that you're buying something that's worth it what it is. And then you go to the closing and you sign all the final documents. The final documents will be provided by the attorney that you will go there and sign the paperwork.
The exciting part.
Yes.
Yes, it's my house now.
That's when you get the keys.
So tell me about your business, Sunwest.
Sunwest Mortgage Company is a company that's been around for 35 years. We're about a $15 billion company that is based in Southern California. It's been around for a while, and we do have a local office, a local presence here in the 757 area near Lynn Haven Mall. And so we've been around doing it a long time.
Are you a 757 local?
I am. Born and raised here. I've been doing it for over 25 years. Long time. I'm just telling my age right now, but no, it's been around a long time. So and I've been doing it a long time.
See, someone like me, that would make me feel very comfortable that you know the area, you're well versed in all these aspects of what I don't know at all. So.
I like to think so sometimes. Yeah, absolutely. I can help you out throughout the process, especially with the local lenders and the local realtors in the local area. It does help to know a little bit about the area.
For sure. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
I feel like I know so much more now, and like I would not be nervous at all if I had you on my team.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.